The beak is sharp and curved, designed for tearing flesh. But it's the legs and talons that make the golden eagle a true apex predator. The talons are like built-in weapons. Long, curved claws powered by strong leg muscles that can exert an estimated 400 to 750 pounds of pressure per square inch. That's strong enough to crush bone. When a golden eagle grips its prey, escape is almost impossible. Speed is another critical advantage. During a hunt, the eagle folds its wings and enters a dive, reaching speeds of over 150 miles per hour.